Hey everyone, so today I'm going to do a 14 by 18 dirty pour using 4 cups of paint. They won't be all the way filled, but we'll be able to place color where we want it. So I'm going to move that out of the way, and I'm going to go ahead and spray my cups with the WD-40 silicone spray. That helps to release the paint from the cup. Okay, so I'm using a bunch of different greens and blues, turquoisey colors. So I'm going to start with white, of course, just a little bit in the bottom of that cup. Then I'm going to go with the Craft Smart Seamus Pearl. De La Rani Phthalo Turquoise. And I'm not really layering yet, but I will when I get this color in. So this is Craft Smart Robin's Egg Blue. I'm using Paint Up today. It's kind of the opaque color of the Seamus Pearl. Okay, then I'll put a little bit of black in there. And just a touch of white. I'm going to go with the Lucas Turquoise. Lucas. And I'm going to follow that with the Soho Phthalo Green Blue. We'll follow that with some gold. And some Folk Art Metallic Turquoise. So this painting will have a lot of sheen to it. A little bit of black. A little bit of white. I'm going to come back in with the Robin's Egg. And the De La Rani Phthalo Turquoise. Craft Smart Seamus Pearl. You can see I'm not putting a lot of color when I go through this. Let's go with the Soho Phthalo Green Blue. And I want to do a little bit of gold there. A little bit of black. And I'm going to take the white and shove down through. And I'm just going to move those other two colors out of the way. All right. Don't want to, maybe I do want to swirl them, just a smidge. All right, let's start pouring. Love that. That first scoop out of the cup is always so pretty. going to need some color up here. And this I'm just going to run along the edges. Get those corners while I can. All right. Let me give it a quick torch. It's all going to change as I stretch it out, so we see a lot of white now, but this is all going to start to sink. So I'm just going to get it all together here. Okay. I hope that band of white in the middle is not going to haunt me. I'm going to come down here to this corner. Then we'll come down here. Let me stretch that black out. It looks really light now with the white and everything, but it's going to dry so much darker. Let me wipe my hands and I'll give it a nice torch. Just watching those cells come up here and there. It's not like popping like I thought it would. All right, let's torch it. Let's let it set for a few minutes and we'll come back and see what it looks like. Okay, I let it set about 5 minutes. Didn't see too much going on except the white is starting to sink and I'm getting that little pilling look that I like. But I'm not liking this black spot here, so I am going to pour this off. A little better. It looks a little more balanced now without that big black spot there. But I did get quite a few new cells, so you can check that out. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. We have our art page and our Barrage Posse. Links are below. Shop with us on Amazon and Etsy and Redbubble. Join us Sunday for our auction. Our fan mail box is also down below, as well as our PayPal donation link. We do a sponsor giveaway every quarter. The next drawing will be in January. And if you have questions or ideas or anything, you can hit me up on my email as well. It's ChristinaWelchArt@yahoo.com. If there's something you want to see tried on our channel, we'd be more than willing to give it a go. And also check out my husband Alan's channel. Just look up Alan Welch, and I'm sure you'll find him. We call him the Gadget Man. But thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.